back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney and I'm so excited because today's video is another DIY, but this time all of the supplies are coming from Walmart and we are making this adorable farmhouse style Christmas tree farm sign. So stay tuned. Before we get into this DIY, I want to take a minute and announce the winner of the giveaway on my last DIY video. If you haven't seen that, I will link it up above. I was blown away. That video has over 20,000 views and also over 450 of you commented on that video. And to me, that just is like mind-boggling. I know people on YouTube get way more views than that, but for little old me sitting here like in the middle of Illinois, that is huge. So thank you so much for being a part of this community and thank you to everyone that entered. So the winner of the 3 hard to find Dollar Tree items is Elisa Aguiar. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, but Elisa, I will comment on the comment that you left on that video to let you know that you won, and let me know your address so I can get that shipped out to you so you can use those 3 items for Christmas. So again, thank you so much for entering that giveaway. I was blown away by all of you that entered, so thank you so much. So now let's get into the DIY. So this sign, I am blown away at how good it turned out. These signs, probably this size, you're looking at $35, $40, $45 if you're going to a vendor fair or if you're having someone make it for you, and it's so easy to make. Anyone can do this as long as you know how to stick stickers. So let's get into it. I'm so excited to share this with you.
You're going to need a piece of wood. This is a 1x6 scrap that I had that I just stained. Some Waverly chalk paint. You can get this at Walmart, as well as a foam paintbrush and a decal. They've got a ton of options at Walmart. So step 1 is to take Waverly chalk paint and paint the board. I didn't bother to mess with painting the edges. I just went ahead and painted the whole top, and I only did 1 coat because I was going to rough it up to make it rustic. Then I grabbed my little decal that's originally made to just go on the wall and be peeled off after the Christmas season. I ended up marking the exact center, so halfway between each edge, so then that way I kind of had a guide. I made a teeny little pencil mark just so then that way I knew where to stick it. Then I carefully peeled off the first part. This Christmas trees is all one piece, and I worked to stick it down. So the nice thing about this is you can peel it back up if you have any issues. It's not permanent, so you can peel it, which is really nice. But ideally, you're going to want to stick the center down and then push it, working your way out so that you don't have any air bubbles and things don't crease on you. So if you have an extra set of hands, it's helpful, but I have been used to doing this with vinyl, so I know how to do it with 2 hands. But if you've got a spouse or someone to help, it is a lifesaver. Then I just repeated that step, pushing from the inside out with the trees and everything. I just used the picture on the outside of the box to kind of space out where I wanted it. And like I mentioned, this stuff, I restuck and stuck it about probably 5 times and it still was sticky. So don't worry about getting things perfect. I just suggest measuring. When in doubt, I'll grab my measuring tape and just see, especially when things are supposed to be symmetrical. It just helps if you've got a ruler, whatever you can use, it helps a ton. So then you feel a little bit more at ease when you're sticking things down. And that is literally it, you guys. I told you it was so incredibly easy. This step is optional, but I went through and took some 150 grit sandpaper and just roughed it up. I love this sign. It is so rustic and it was under $10 to make.
If you make this DIY with any of the decals that Walmart is selling right now, please share it. Tag me. I would love to see it. I love when you guys make my projects and share them. I'm on Instagram at Whiskey and Whit. Also, you can hashtag Whiskey and Whit on your photos and I will check them out that way too. Thank you so much for watching. This channel in just a short time has turned into something way bigger than I even dreamed it could be, and that's thanks to you. So thank you for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!